Guys, welcome back to Mojogrip. Mike here. So still at Justaircraft. We've checked out the airplanes. You see a few behind me there, but today what I really want to show you guys is how it is built. Okay, these are experimental airplanes that you can build. You buy a kit and you can build yourself at home, and today I'm going to take you through the factory and sort of show you the process of how these things are built, okay, from raw materials to how the metal is molded, how the engines are being fitted on, paint, all of that good stuff. All right, so stay tuned. We're in the factory of Justaircraft, and as you can see all around me, it's work, work, work. You can see the shells and bones of airplanes being built here. So I have Troy here with me. He's the founder here at Justaircraft, and he's just going to show us around. Okay, perfect.
This machine here is what we use to cope all of our tubing, and it makes it easy.
Okay. And this is precisely what makes up the entire structure of the airplane. Okay.
It's
so it literally starts from this here.
Well, actually, the rack of tubing, and it goes through here.
Okay, so what he's doing there, and it goes through here, and then on that side you kind of
that's where we put everything in the tubing and weld it up.
Pretty cool. Okay. All right. Do you have what's happening here?
Matt's welding up a fuel tank.
Oh, that's a fuel tank.
Yeah,
oh,
a header
sweet.
tank.
Okay.
This is the airplane fuel.
Yeah, you showed me this earlier, so if you can talk to me again about what I'm looking at here.
This is our airframe tooling. Anything that has any hard points that we have to repeat is anchored in this tool. Okay. And we do as much welding as we can in it, and then we pull it out and do the rest.
And this is what a finished airframe will look like?
No,
or this is still...
This, once it's got all the seats and stuff on it.
What's happening here? Can we show it?
Yeah, he's building a motor mount.
Okay.
For a rotax.
So you have to manually build different mounts for different power plants. Okay. And so this is, would you say this is the typical build? So once, I guess it starts off with the frame, the wings are put on, and then the motor is put on, or can it be either or? How does that usually work out?
It's up to the builder. I mean,
okay.
Typically the motor and avionics are the last thing.
Oh, this looks really nice. It looks very almost the same as the one parked outside.
Yeah.
The color scheme. Is this a wing that they're working on here?
Yeah, this is a Highlander wing.
There goes another. Now, do all of your SuperSTOL, do they come or do they get fitted with those big giant
shocks and tires?
Yeah.
Most of them do.
Okay, but not all of them.
Yeah, most of them do. Some people don't want the drag.
Okay.
Here's a set of SuperSTOL wings that
oh, wow, cool.
Getting almost finished.
Okay. And so once these are complete, what happens? So once these wings are finished, do they go automatically get attached to the airplane, or?
Yeah, if the customer wants us to do it, then we'll fit the wings to the airframe.
Okay.
And then put it in a crate and ship it out.
Okay, now we were talking about the quick build kits earlier. So you sell the kits, and then you have also quick build So is this part of a quick build where the wings are
This is a set of quick build wings, yeah.
Okay. And this will also ship out to the customer?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Okay. All right,
And
cool.
some customers build their own wings.
Okay.
Assemble their own wings.
Let me look at this. These are all rivets.
There's a Titan.
Yeah, so I see a lot of Titans on your... Is that the go-to power plant for the SuperSTOL, or do you have customers go for something else?
Well, we offered the Titan, a few years ago, and it just happened to, it's the latest engine airframe combination we've developed. So we've got quite a few of them, the last few years.
All right, perfect. And this is also 180 horsepower?
It's a 180, yeah.
Okay, cool. Talk to me about this airplane. You said this was, can we show this?
Yeah.
You said this was one of your first...
Highlanders. This airplane's, shoot, it's 15, 16 years old.
Oh, wow. So this was one of the first models at the shop?
Yeah, it was one of the first Highlanders. It's been around. It was in Arizona for years. A guy over in Atlanta owns this airplane now.
Oh, wow.
And he brought it in. He wanted us to do an annual on it.
Cool. Okay, so this, for example, what's going on here?
This is a customer from California that he's just got to come finish his avionics, and then he'll be flying it home.
Okay. Oh, and one thing I did forget to mention when I reviewed the airplane, these are all, the wings can be folded in. Mm-hmm. And this is for all of your aircraft models, they're all foldable wings?
Yes, sir.
Okay, perfect. What model is this? What's the build?
This is a SuperSTOL XL with a Titan 180 on it.
Okay. And you said the customer is from California?
Yeah.
So how does a customer that lives far out there, so once the airplane is done, do they come out and fly it out, or how does that usually work out?
He'll come out and finish up, and then he'll literally fly the 40 hours off, or he may haul it home and have a deal. Get it inspected there and fly it there. There's all kinds of ways that they do it.
Okay.
How was it? Y'all look like cowboys.
You know what? When this comes up, you will see the big smile on my face the whole time.
All I could see was just you.
Yeah, and the
you
crazy
smiling
thing,
the whole way.
the crazy thing was, so we did like a loop around tight corners, low, like really low flying, and even when we were probably flying 500 feet, he told me, and I thought I was gonna be like nervous the whole time, but the damn thing was so balanced, and you can see everything.
Yeah.
If I was in a tricycle landing gear airplane like I normally fly, I would be scared.
Nervous.
Well, we'll convert you.
Yeah.
I was about to say,
no,
I was thinking he might be converted today.
This is the true definition of fun flying.
Yeah.
This is my first, and I've never...
When you guys came over the trees there, it was
Yeah,
like Jurassic Park. I was like, oh shit.